Hey, Zero Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got a TMG classic in front of us here today, the Copperhead 52. You could say this is what started it all for us. Became very popular very quickly for good reason. First off, I mean, hey, it looks badass, right? Can't get me wrong there. But it also has a lot of capabilities. So let's check this one out. This is going on my man Rowdy. We're about to ship it all the way over to Oregon, all the way across the country for him. Now, he did several upgrades to it. Starting off with a fryer, all right? He added our 6-gallon Cajun fryer. Open that up, double basket unit here. Propane powered. I mean, guys, nothing goes better with barbecue than something fried. Hush puppies, French fries, smoke some chicken wings in there, throw them in here, crisp them up. Damn, you know that's gonna be good. Come around here on our front shelf. This is our standard wire mesh front shelf. Of course, you got your paper towel, utensils holder. That all comes standard on every pit. He did get it on our off-road package. Got some badass upgraded blue wheels on that. Goes great. Matches his Jeep he's got. In the smoke chamber here, like I said, this is our Copperhead 52. Copperhead is the octagon design. 52 inches long, 24 inches deep. You can get this in several different sizes. 2 sliding trays, of course. This is a reverse flow model. So it's got removable plates in here, directs the heat all the way down, back out of the stack. Now, Rowdy did add a fold-down stack on this unit. This thing is tall to stack up. If you're gonna go in and out of your garage, get that fold-down stack. Come around to the hot box. This is our 30-inch vertical hot box here. Hey, y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inch cook space just in this hot box alone. That's because we love America, guys. That's all there is to it. This does run independent from the smoke chamber, so you can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. Works really well. Makes it extremely versatile. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers all the way around, made right in the USA for us. Did get a custom stainless steel logo, Shark Delicious Barbecue. That is just our standard firebox there, all 1/4-inch plate steel. This sucker right here is about 1,500 pounds, guys. She ain't light. Hey, D-ring tie-down points at all 4 corners, gonna make it easy to strap down on a trailer. Hey, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit belt, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.